Hi dear students, this is BS Academy Grade 10 Physics. In this video we are going to discuss about the representation of the images using ray diagrams. Okay, so we have to discuss about the representation of the images in case of concave mirror and also convex mirror. So how to represent the image formation of the concave and convex mirror? We have to use the ray diagrams. So when we are drawing the ray diagrams, we have to follow some rules. So we are going to discuss that rules only in this video. So first of all, the first point we have to follow while we are drawing the ray diagram is, see, first point, a ray which is parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the principal focus in case of a concave mirror. Okay, in case of a concave mirror, when the ray is parallel to the principal axis, then after it get reflected, it will pass through the principal focus. Okay, so to understand this point, see, let us draw the diagram for the concave mirror. See, we know how to draw the concave mirror. So this is concave mirror. This is the faded part of the concave mirror. This is the reflecting surface of the concave mirror. We know this point is denoted as P, that is nothing but what? Pole. And the center of the spherical, the center of the sphere is represented as the center of curvature, that is C. And the imaginary line which passes through the center of curvature and the pole is called as what? Principal axis, right? This principal axis. And we know the center point of C and P is denoted as capital F, that is principal focus. Okay, so be clear about the diagram, students. So this is the concave mirror, this is the faded part, and this the front surface is the reflecting surface, and this is pole, that is center of the reflecting surface, and this is the center of curvature, that is center of the sphere, and this is the principal focus. Okay, right. Now what is our point? See, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis. So it means we have to consider the rays which are parallel to the principal axis, right? See, this is the principal axis. Okay, so you imagine that the rays are incident on the mirror like this. So this is one of the ray which is incident on the concave mirror, and see, this ray is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so this is incident ray, and this incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. So when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, after it gets reflection, it has to pass through the principal focus. Okay, that is the rule, right? So when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it passes through the principal focus. So this is the reflected ray. Is it clear, children? Right? So this is the incident ray. This is the point of incident, and when it reflected, after it get reflection, it passes through the focus. The reflected ray passes through the principal focus. So this is the first rule. Okay. See the definition. See the point. The ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the principal focus in case of concave mirror. Okay, right. See, now in case of convex mirror, what will happen? The same thing will happen, but the definition will be different. Okay, see, now let us draw the convex mirror. So we know how to draw the convex mirror. This is convex mirror, right? So this is the faded part of the convex mirror, and this is the reflecting surface. This is the reflecting surface. This point is called as what? Pole, denoted as P, that is center of the reflecting surface, and center of the sphere is represented as C, that is center of curvature, and the line, that is imaginary line which passes through the pole and the center of curvature, is called as the principal axis. So this is the principal axis. We know for concave mirror, the center of curvature, principal focus, everything it present in the left hand side. And for convex mirror, the center of curvature, the principal focus, all lies in the right hand side, that is at the back side of the mirror. This we already know, we have discussed in the last video itself. Okay, right, now consider the ray which is parallel to this principal axis. So always the object should be placed in the left hand side of the mirror. Okay, that is in front of the reflecting surface. So this is the reflecting surface. So the object will be placed in this side only. So therefore the incident ray should it should fall from this side on the mirror. Okay, so consider the incident ray that is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, this is the principal axis. So this is the incident ray. Okay, so it is falling on the convex mirror. So this is the point of incident. So from this point it has to reflect, right? So we already know this is the converging mirror. Therefore the rays will get converge after reflection. Whereas in case of convex mirror, the rays will get diverge, right? So it will reflect but it will diverge. It will get diverged, right? So it gets diverged like this. So it reflected like this. This is reflected ray. See, the rule is same for concave and convex mirror. See, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis is after reflection it passes through the focus. Here actually it is passing through the focus. But here see, after reflection it will appear to diverge from the principal focus. Okay, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will appear to diverge from the principal focus. It means it seems to be diverged. It seems to be diverged from the principal focus. So to represent that in diagram, see, you have to extend this reflected ray. So that this extended reflected ray will meet the principal focus. Okay, so that's why the statement is given like this. It will appear to diverge from the principal focus. So it seems to be reflected from the principal focus. Actually it is not. It is not emerging from the focus, but it will appear to diverge from the principal focus in case of the convex mirror. Okay, but the rule is same. See, when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray passes through the focus. In case of convex mirror, see, when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray seems to be passing through the principal focus, or it will appear to diverge from the principal focus. Okay, in case of convex mirror. Okay, clear about this first rule, student? This is the first rule we are going to apply in case of the image formation of the concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, right, moving on to the next point. See, a ray which is passing through the principal focus of a concave mirror after reflection will emerge parallel to the principal axis, right? So this is quite opposite to the first point. Okay, this is quite just opposite to the first point. See, now we will draw the diagram. So in case of concave mirror, this is concave mirror, this is faded part, this is the point represented as pole, it is pole, and this is center of curvature. This is the imaginary line which passes through the center of curvature and pole. So this is principal axis, and we know this point is represented as principal focus. Okay, right. See, now what is the concept? The ray which is passing through the principal focus of a concave mirror. So the incident ray should passes through the principal focus. Okay, so we have to draw the incident ray such that it is passing through the principal focus. So consider that the incident ray is passing through the principal focus like this. Okay, so this is the incident ray, and the incident ray is passing through the principal focus, and then it is incident on this concave mirror. Okay, so this is the point of incident. Now what will happen? It get reflected. Okay, so after reflection, what happens to this ray? The reflected ray, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. So it gets reflected like this. So this is the reflected ray. So this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. See the statement, the ray passing through the principal focus of a concave mirror after reflection, what happens? Will emerge parallel to the principal axis. So see, the incident ray is passing through the principal focus. After reflection, it emerges parallel to the principal axis. It becomes parallel to the principal axis. Right, so that is what I told. This is quite opposite to the first point. Okay. Right, in case of convex mirror, see the ray which is directed towards the principal focus of a convex mirror, after reflection it will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Okay, see, let us draw the convex mirror again. So this is the faded part, this is pole, and this is center of curvature, and this is the imaginary line which is passing through the pole and the center of curvature, that is principal axis. Okay, this is principal axis. Now see, the incident ray should passes through the focus. So this is principal focus. So now let us draw the incident ray which passes through the principal focus. So see, this is incident ray. This is incident ray. See, the ray which is directed towards the principal focus. It means what? It seems to be passing through the focus. The incident ray seems to be passing through the focus. So the ray which is directed towards the principal focus of a convex mirror, after reflection, what will happen? After reflection, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. So this is reflected ray. So this is incident ray and this is reflected ray. Okay, after reflection it becomes parallel to this principal axis. See the statement, the ray which is directed towards the principal focus of a convex mirror, after reflection it will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Okay, right? See, for concave mirror, the ray is passing through the focus and after reflection it emerges parallel to the principal axis. Same way in case of convex mirror, the ray is directed towards the principal focus and after reflection it will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so this is the second rule. See, first rule. In this first rule, the incident ray is parallel and the reflected ray passes through the focus. See, in the second rule, the incident ray passes through the focus and the reflected ray becomes parallel to the principal axis. So first two points are quite opposite with each other. Please, clear students? Right? Now see the third point. We move on to the third point. See, a ray passing through the center of curvature of a concave mirror, after reflection is reflected back along the same path. It is for the concave mirror. See, so this is concave mirror and the point P, that is pole, and this is center of curvature. The imaginary line which is passing through the center of curvature and the pole is called as what? Principal axis, and this is the point that is represented as F, that is principal focus. Okay, now see the statement, the ray passing through the center of curvature of a concave mirror. The ray should pass through the center of curvature, that is the incident ray should pass through the center of curvature. So we have to draw the incident ray such that it is passing through the center of curvature. See, how to draw the incident ray which is passing through the center of curvature. So it has to pass through the center of curvature like this, and then it has to incident on the concave mirror. So let us extend this concave mirror like this. Okay, right, see, this is the incident ray and it is passing through the center of curvature, and then it is incident on this mirror. So this is incident ray. Okay, the ray passing through the center of curvature of a concave mirror. After reflection, what will happen? It is reflected back along the same path. So after it is incident on the concave mirror, it reflected back along the same path. Okay, so this is the reflected ray. See, it is incident, that is incident ray passes through the center of curvature. After reflection, again it reflected back in the same path. Okay, it will move in the same path in case of concave mirror. See, again in case of convex mirror also, see, convex mirror, this is the faded part, this is pole, center of curvature and the principal axis. So this is principal axis. Okay, this is the principal focus. Okay, right, now here also see, the ray should passes through the center of curvature. So we have to draw the incident ray such that it seems to be passing through the center of curvature. See here. So it has to pass through the center of curvature. So we have to draw the incident ray over here. So if this is the incident ray, it seems to be passing through the center of curvature. So the incident ray is passing through the center of curvature. So what will happen? It reflected back in the same path. It reflected back in the same path. So the incident ray is passing through the center of curvature like this. After reflection, it gets reflected in the same path. So that is the statement. The ray which is directed in the direction of the center of curvature of a convex mirror, after reflection, what is happening? It is reflected back along the same path. Okay, statement is same, right? In concave mirror, the incident ray is passing through the center of curvature. After reflection, it reflected back in the same path. Same way in convex mirror, the incident ray is directed towards the center of curvature, and after reflection is reflected back along the same path. Is it clear, children? So this is about the third point, third rule. And see the fourth rule. A ray which is incident obliquely to the principal axis towards a point P. What is P? P is nothing but what? Pole. On the concave mirror or a convex mirror is reflected obliquely. See, the incident ray is going to fall on the going to be incident on the pole itself. Okay, see how to draw the diagram for this. See, concave mirror again. So you have to be clear with the diagram, students. So you have to practice that well. You should know how to draw the diagram in your free hand. So this is pole, this is center of curvature, this is the imaginary line, that is the principal axis. Okay, see, now the incident ray, the ray incident obliquely to the principal axis towards a point P, that is the ray should be incident to the point P, that is pole. So you have to draw the incident ray like this. The incident ray, it falls on the point P, that is pole. So this is incident ray. So we know after reflection what will happen? It reflected back like this. So this is reflected ray. Okay. So it means what? The ray which is incident obliquely to the principal axis towards a point P on the concave mirror or a convex mirror, it is reflected obliquely. It get reflected obliquely. It means the angle of incidence will be equals to the angle of reflection